Hey Mocha friends, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're not missing out on any of my videos. Okay guys, so for today's video, I will be doing a cute hairstyle with the Betterlength clip-ins. And if you did see my last week's video, I did say that I was partnership with Betterlength hair. And also I was showing you guys how perfectly the clip-ins match with my hair texture. So that video was based on that. And if you're unfamiliar with Betterlength hair, again, they do specialize in making kinky curly clip-ins for us Black natural girls. So that's a little snippet of that video. So make sure you watch last week's video before watching this one. So I have my clip-ins here and I went ahead and washed them again. Not so much, just a little bit, because if you did, like I said, watch my last video, I did apply product to it, and I know that I'm gonna apply a little bit more product today, so I just wanted to go ahead and wash the previous product that I did have in there, guys. So I'm gonna do a little cute little style. So I did show you, so basically these are two different videos. Last week's video was basically to show you how well the clip-ins will blend with my hair, and then this video will be a cute simple hairstyle and what you can do, cute little hairstyles with the clip-ins in your hair. So stay tuned. So as you can see, I have this part twisted. I'm going to leave that alone for a second and you'll see why. And I have this part out. As I mentioned, I'm not leaving any of my hair out, so you'll see in a second what I'm about to do. Probably like, where is she going with this style? But I just want you to keep hope alive and stay tuned. Keep watching, guys. You'll see. You'll see.
Also, side note, I just want to point out that with installing these clip-ins, it's so much easier to place in my hair when my hair is pinned up versus when I had my hair out. I just feel like when my hair is out and I'm placing the clip-in on each part of my hair, it just takes longer because I have to stop and also apply a product to my hair so it can blend with the clip-in hair. And versus with having my hair pinned up and installing the clip-ins, it is so much easier and quicker to install each clip-in. I just wanted to point that out because I'm just moving so quickly with putting this in.
Okay, so I know you guys are probably wondering and confused, like I know she says she's not leaving out any hair, so how is she gonna cover up this track? No fear, not to fear. So I purchased this from the beauty supply store, $5.99, and it's some Passion Bohemian Curl hair. And I saw cute little trending styles on YouTube and I thought this was so cute, but a lot of girls was using braiding hair, and I decided to just get some curly hair so that it can match. So I will show you in a minute of what I'm doing.
So the hair that I showed you in the last clip, I went ahead and took pieces of that hair and braided it. And what I'm going to do here is place it on the clip-in track so that you won't be able to see it, so it can give like a headband braided look. And so I thought that was such a cute idea. It's very trendy. And I just wanted to try out the Bohemian curl look instead of the actual braiding hair, because the Bohemian curl hair is already somewhat similar to these clip-ins texture. So I'd rather use something similar versus the braiding hair because it looks more straight. So I thought that was such a cute idea. And all I'm doing is just placing that braided piece that I have and place it on the clip-in track and then pin both sides. And then also I will place another one because I noticed that that one was a little too thin. It was still showing the track a little bit, so I just wanted to give two looks and I thought it was so cute.
Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the final results of my hair, and I actually do love how everything came out. The reason why I say that because I really do styles on my hair, and when I do, it's just an epic fail. But this was so quick and easy with not having any of my hair out and just having something cute up top. Very simple and cute hairstyle. That's what I love. But just update on this hair, guys. The curls are still intact. Even after washing it again for the second time and having it for a week, the curls are still there. They look super natural. So thank you again, Betterlength Hair, for sending me this hair and reviewing this hair. It is bomb. I love it. But if you do love this hair, ladies, again, it is the 3B 3C textured kinky curly hair, natural color hair, 16 inches, and yes, it can be dyed as well. So if you do love this hair, their website link will be in my description box below, and you can use my code Mochacurlss. Okay guys, but I do thank you guys for watching. What you supposed to do? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you.